place your order for E.A.K Shoyu Ramen, head on over to www.bestramenla.com and use the promo code at the end of the short video.
Hello everyone, this is a demo for E.A.K Shoyu Ramen, and what you're going to need for this demo is 2 pots with water coming to a boil, a bowl, colander, chopsticks, and your ingredients. Your broth, your nori, your chashu and spinach, and your ramen. Alrighty, with everything out of the box, let's get to it. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and put the broth in the boiling water along with the chashu and spinach, and I'm also going to get my ramen started. Alrighty, so ramen goes in the boiling water. Alrighty, so our noodles are done according to Google. So we're going to go ahead and strain that out. Alright, so we're going to add our broth. Looks delicious so far, smells delicious, smells fantastic. Alrighty, so now we're going to add our toppings. Alright everybody, this is the finished product. Looks delicious. So let's dig in. Itadakimasu.